Hello, Lorraine here, and welcome to my YouTube channel at Lorraine Marshall Online and my website, which you can find the link in the description below this video. It's makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now, today I'm wanting to review a product by a couple of ladies who haven't been in the internet marketing very long, but they're having some fantastic success with some of the products that they're launching. And so the product that they're launching today is BadAssBonuses, and this is from Nanda and Paula Marie. Basically, this is a product that helps affiliate marketers to put together bonus pages so that they can promote their affiliate products and offer a range of different bonuses as gifts, like free trainings that go alongside the purchase. So what I want to do today is we'll go over my bonus page first, have a look at the bonuses have been available if you decide to purchase the Badass Bonuses through my link, which will be in the description below. Then we'll have a look at the sales page and then the members area for Badass Bonuses. So let's do that now. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page of Insane Bonus Bundle, and it's for Badass Bonuses. Now this is launching today. I think it's probably already launched, but it's 9 AM on the 18th of August, and the product's going to be available at the special price until Sunday, which is the 22nd of August. So you've got a few days in order to get and jump on this actual product. Basically, what they have done is put together a whole system of done-for-you bonus and trainings and hacks that you can actually access, but we'll have a look at that later in the video. Like I say, Badass Bonuses, it's basically a collection of 80 of their done-for-you bonuses with full rights that you can use in any of your affiliate promotions, or if you're list building and you want to increase your conversions, you can actually use these bonus pages as a way to increase the conversions and give people some value back. So Badass Bonuses include high quality 2021 full-blown course by super affiliates, software templates created by experts, top marketers for beginners to start existing business together, well worth over $7,760. Now, let's have a quick look at the funnel for the prices and the upsells. Basically, you've got upgrade 1 at $47, upgrade 2 at $97, upgrade 3 at $37, and upgrade 4, $67. Now the front end product is selling at $16.97, which is access to all of the powerful software and training modules. So basically there is downgrades on each of them where you can actually save some money. Yes, you can see a $10 saving, a $30 saving, a $10 saving, and a $20 saving. So that's the funnel. Now you can go through the page and read all the blurb when you click on my link, which is in the description. So now let's have a look at some of the bonuses that I have available. The first one is access to Aurora Pro, and this is a training training series. And the second bonus I have is 3 ways to get traffic to your gigs. And the third bonus that I have is 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list with. And the fourth bonus I have is access to Backlink Warrior, but this is only available for the first 24 hours only. So you've got to get in early to grab the fourth bonus. Now, you would still receive all of the vendor bonuses, even when you purchase through my link that's in the description down below. So this is my bonus page, and to get access to the sales page you can click any of these red buttons on my page, and this timer, it just tells you that this is the launch period. Basically the launch expires on Sunday. So now let's quickly go over to their sales page and take a look at the sales page. Basically what they're saying is, this is a push button system and it makes them over $882 in the commissions every day, and they work no more than 30 minutes. Like I say, these ladies have not been working in affiliate marketing for that long. They joined a training course, followed on their program, and then started launching their own products, and they're having some real success now. So these are some of the testimonials that they have on the web pages, so how much money they have been able to make from launching products, selling products, and giving away badass bonuses. So let's have a look and see what the members dashboard's all about. Here we are on Badass Bonuses members dashboard. Basically there's the welcome video at the start, and where you've got Nanda and Paula Marie will talk about these magic buttons. Basically these magic buttons are access to other training and programs. So the first magic button is going to take you to a webinar where they started in their journey on how to learn about affiliate marketing, product reviews and product creation. So that is magic button number 1. Magic button number 2 is basically one-on-one or 2-on-1, because you've got Nanda and Paula Marie who will be available to give support. You can ask them questions and basically find out how they've managed to go from nothing online to success online. Magic button number 3 is access to a Digital Dames Facebook group, and magic button number 4 is access to the Digital Dames Instagram page. So that is the magic buttons. Now in this area here you've got all of the trainings and other bonuses that they have available. So you've got all of these courses, basically full-blown 2021 courses: YouTube, Velocity, Profit Force, Maeve, Xena, Zenobia, Cleopatra, Golden Stash, TweetX, affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree, Forget About Broke, Nova, Lazy Traffic Sniper, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin, Midas Touch, Traffic Booster. You see, the list just goes on and on. You know, all of these are training that will help you in a journey in affiliate marketing. Now, the second part, let's have a look if I can just close this down because it is long. The mini Make Money Online Badass tutorials. So more tutorials to take you through step by step on how you can start to make money online. So how to create a bonus page in Commission Gorilla, which is what I'm using. If you click on the link in the description below, you will see exactly what it's all about. Rebranding your bonuses, how to capture your emails, delivering your bonuses, multiple ways to make money online, domain flipping tips, low ticket versus high ticket case studies, and more. So basically that's all of that on section 2. Let's have a look at section 3, the traffic bonuses. 4 more traffic sources for your email campaigns, how to get free flowing traffic from Instagram, how to get more traffic using optimized hashtags, how to rank your YouTube videos on page 1, how to make YouTube thumbnails to get more views, how to boost your traffic using penny clicks and Google Ads, and top platforms even to promote on. So there you go. Now, the affiliate training bonuses. Monetization bonuses. 5 ways to make money on Instagram. Find products, get commission. 90-day affiliate case study. How to turn leads into customers. 5 ready to promote bonus pages for your campaign. How they turned $110 into $111 or 1,100 and made a 900% profit. And a new commission gorilla hack to monetize your header. So there is monetizing bonuses and your upgrade. So that is Badass Bonuses, and there is a lot of material in this product for the price that you can buy it in the launch, which is less than $20. So that's it basically in a nutshell. And obviously don't forget that it is a 3-day launch, and this is my bonus page, so you can click through, have a read about the product Badass Bonuses, and then any of the buttons will take you to the sales page where you can get access to all this brilliant training from Nanda and Paula Marie. Okay, so that's my review for today. I will see you on the next review. Bye for now.